waveform natin sa screen, but still our signal generator provides 10,000 Hertz and 5 volts peak-to-peak signal. So this is it. But since you press default, then this is now the default scale or waveform setting. So we already press default. So i-turn off natin balik yung channel to para focus tayo muna sa channel 1. Okay? Then since lumiit yung by default, no? Nagiging 1 volt per division yung scale, and the horizontal is 200 microseconds. Now, and before that, take note that kung na-remember ninyo sa previous video natin sa proving, we have two set up or settings dito sa ating prove, no? We have the X1. See, tingnan nyo, lumaki yung waveform. And we have the X10. Now, again, kung na-recall ninyo, so meaning pag naka times 1 or X1,